Punjab Emergency Services Department, also known as Rescue 1122, is like the superhero squad of Punjab, Pakistan. They show up when things go really wrong. Think fires, accidents, floods, you name it, they're there. They're not just brave, they're trained professionals dedicated to saving lives and helping people in their darkest hour. Now you might be thinking, these guys are like the Navy SEALs of emergency response. How could I ever join their ranks? Well, hold your horses, John Rambo. It's not about being a superhero, it's about having a good heart and a strong desire to serve your community. Joining Rescue 1122 is no walk in the park. It demands rigorous training, unwavering courage, and the ability to stay calm under immense pressure. But don't let that intimidate you. If you're up for the challenge and ready to dedicate yourself to a life of service, then becoming a Rescue 1122 hero might just be your calling. So you're ready to step up and answer the call. Good for you. First things first, you need to know how to apply. Luckily, Rescue 1122 makes the process pretty straightforward. Keep your eyes peeled on the Rescue 1122 website and major newspapers for those job postings. They usually announce openings for different positions, each with specific requirements. Make sure you fit the bill before applying. Once you've found your match, gather your documents. You'll need all the usual suspects: academic certificates, CNEC, domicile, and some passport-sized photos of you looking extra heroic. Don't forget to double-check everything before you hit that submit button. Remember, this is a competitive field. Only the most dedicated and qualified individuals make it through. So bring your A game and show Rescue 1122 why you deserve to be on their team. All right, you've submitted your application. Now comes the brain workout, the written exam. Don't worry, it's not rocket science, unless you're applying to be a rocket scientist, in which case, good luck. The exam is designed to test your general knowledge, common sense, and understanding of basic rescue procedures. Brush up on your current affairs, basic math, and English comprehension. And because this is Rescue 1122 we're talking about, a good grasp of first aid and basic emergency procedures will give you an edge.
There are tons of study guides and online resources available, so use them. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to handle the exam, and more importantly, the real-life situations you'll face as a Rescue 1122 responder.
Section 4. Interview like a pro, showcasing your skills and dedication.
Congratulations, you aced the written exam. Now it's time to put on your best uniform, figuratively of course, and prepare for the interview. This is your chance to shine, to show the interview panel why you're the perfect fit for Rescue 1122. First impressions matter. Show up on time, look sharp, and be polite. During the interview, be confident but not cocky. Clearly articulate your skills, experiences, and why you're passionate about serving your community. Remember, they're not just looking for someone who can answer questions by the book. They want someone who's genuinely committed to the job's physical and mental demands. So, be yourself, be enthusiastic, and let your passion shine through.
Section 5. Preparation is key tips for acing the Rescue 1122 recruitment.
Acing the Rescue 1122 recruitment process requires more than just showing up. It's about dedicated preparation, both mentally and physically. Think of it like training for a marathon, except instead of crossing a finish line, you're crossing the threshold into a life of service. Start with physical fitness. You don't need to be an Olympic athlete, but being in good shape will help you tackle the physical demands of the job. Then, there's mental toughness. Emergency situations can be stressful and chaotic. Practice staying calm under pressure. Finally, familiarize yourself with Rescue 1122's values and work ethic. Understanding their mission and dedication will resonate with the interview panel and demonstrate your genuine commitment. Remember, preparation is your secret weapon. Go the extra mile, and you'll be well ahead of the game.
Section 6. The home stretch, staying motivated and positive.
The Rescue 1122 recruitment process is like a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when you want to throw in the towel. But it's during these challenging times that you need to dig deep and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who believe in your dream. Visualize yourself succeeding, wearing that Rescue 1122 uniform with pride. And remember, every challenge you overcome, every obstacle you hurdle brings you one step closer to your goal. So, Keep your head held high, your spirits high, and your eyes on the prize. Because at the end of this journey, a rewarding career awaits, a career where you can make a real difference in the lives of others. Good luck, you got this.